Come southeast in the Terry. Come southeast in the Terry. On the ping,
Yeah,
guys.
yeah,
I'm on
yeah.
the ping.
Sino yung mga naka-Raven sa atin? Walang naka-Raven sa inyo, di ba?
Wala.
I'll go ahead, Raven E, and then...
Yo, my D-tanks, if you can dismount on them, okay? Come southeast.
Yeah.
Don't let them cap it in the Terry. Yo, stop AFK. Come.
They have multiple occults. Layo ng tawag nito. Layo ng dismount natin, ay, ng entry natin. It should be on the southeast top.
North.
Are they bringing it in?
Yeah. Pagdating natin nasa malapit na sila sa gate and they can just peel
Yo,
us off.
dismount on me now. Dismount on me. Come southwest.
Bakit di ko nakuha? Binitawan nila.
Gilang. Go advance. They're just gonna focus on moving it. I'm gonna peer.
Okay,
Na-peer ko.
everyone,
Oh
ready,
shit.
everyone ready.
Hindi ko na-peer.
Hold.
Shit.
Hold.
Go in na,
Guys,
go
guys,
in na.
Hold now. Hold the choke. Hold the choke. Come in now. Wrap around. My DPS wrap around. Come up the hill. Come back. Come northeast.
I got the vortex. Protect
Okay,
me.
nice. Southeast. Yo, southeast in 5.
Engage,
Southeast in
engage.
4. 3, 2, 1. Leave southeast on the base. Leave southeast in the Terry. Good job. Come northwest. We kite northwest. Go full defensive and come northwest.
Any blood letter?
Going, Jembem, keep going. Come northwest. Kite northwest. We got the fucking vortex. Come northwest. Come northwest on the road. Hold
Yo, watch. I'm gonna
Hold them.
Oh yeah. Helen down. They're bad. They're pushing.
Spread out.
Actually, pwede to. Inside.
Southwestern Recon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwestern Recon. In the bounce cut. Delete. And full push us.
Sa baba. Kasaman demon. Nice.
Keep pushing northwest.
If you're low, go back to the Zerg.
Push northwest. Keep pushing northwest.
Go down. Get cooldowns. Get heals.
Keep going down the hill. Yo, hold the choke.
Nakakatalo
Look
mo
east
sa
now. Look southeast on me. Southeast on my con. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast on me. Delete them. Nice one.
Engaging sila, engaging.
Hey, all good. Just watch the bomb shot. I'm watching bomb shot.
Roll inside.
Nasa gilid yung bomb squad. Nasa gilid.
And look northeast now.
Nasa gilid.
Look northeast now.
Sa northeast side. Bad sila. They're pulling out. Pahil mo na kayo. Yeah, northeast side na yung chok.
No, yun nga yung bomb.
Look southeast.
Yeah. Keep peeling them. Pilang. Talo na sila, men. Like, we just need to continue pushing them. Push them. Punta na tayo sa likod.
They're looking.
Yeah. Likod tayo. Ready for counter.
How many seconds? Southeast in 5, 4, 3,
Oh, ayun. Nice. Good job. Patay na yan.
Yo, don't overextend. My brother, come back.
Yeah. Watching out ng tawag ito. Sinasabi nyo soul sight. Hindi na siya nakakapag-i.
Dito, ayun na, mag-i yung salt
Di pa yan. It's fucking bad.
Out position. Marunong tong
Don't kill
gagawin.
Colt, oh, please. How many times?
Engaging sila.
Bad. Nakuha ko. No, they can engage. Yeah, bad.
Guys, follow me. My brother.
Kasabi kay Kim, pwede siya
Masyado na
mag-push.
tayo deep.
Left tanks too much siya. Left tank too much.
Deep na tayo.
To the Zerg.
Wala.
Tama na yan.
All good.
Layo na yung Zerg natin.
Yeah, all good. I'm staying with them. Yan.
It's okay. My
Ready.
D-tanks, Your 3 screens.
Sige lang. They're pulling the choke. They're pulling it to the choke.
My D-tanks.
Magka-cancel ako ulit. One more.
Left tanks. Go to the Krawi Zerg.
Yeah.
Come southeast.
All bad. I'm staying. They're just gonna push you guys.
They're mounting up sila.
Mounting up sila kayo? Okay. Good.
Regroup on me. Where's my brother? Brother here? Come east. Yo,
Ayun na yung mga
northeast.
Ravens nila.
Northeast,
Mounted na yung
5,
Ravens.
4,
Yeah.
Going to Zerg.
Backup here. I have
Nice one.
CCTV on me. I have CCTV on me.
May Raven sa backline ng Zerg.
They're
Yeah.
coming from southwest. Spread.
I'm just gonna get tagged on this
My D
tawag
tanks hold
ito.
my east sides. We keep kiting. Ano yung blood gem?
CCTV to. CCTV.
All good. Paki-watch nung tawag na to.
Yes, base looking.
Yeah.
Kinansel.
Copy.
Guys, too much. Malayo na kayo sa Zerg.
Yeah.
Tama na yung pag-roll yan.
Pulling lang kami. Helping lang namin yung mga nalolo.
Yo, kill this healer. Chage. Northeast
Here,
5,
mama.
3, 2, 1. On the perm. Kill this healer.
Wala na yung crown sa inyo,
All
guys.
good. Just keep pushing. Papunta doon sa babalik sa Zerg. Okay na ako, good lang. We're still watching them.
Bomb
Nasa
squad
likod lang kami.
west ha. Southwest bomb squad ha.
Copy. Yeah, I'm staying with them. I'm staying with them.
Don't hit Belgium.
Wala to bad. They're just bad. Pull na kayo, pull.
Don't get caught, guys.
Follow Zerg. Help Silva. Goods lang kayo?
Goods lang.
Hello? Yo, can you full engage with this guy? Full engage with this guy in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage with that guy. Kill that guy. Pull him.
Events coming. BS on me. Stop ko.
All good. Papawatch lang tawag ito. Papunta sila. All good. Easy go. Easy. Nice. Nice. Naghilunod ako. Derbad. Wala na akong stop. I don't have any.
May stop ko sa joke. Stop ko sa joke.
I don't have. Anyone? Isa pa.
Fake southeast.
Wala. Bad sila. Ready ako. Meron ako
West
sa
side. Northwest ha.
You full
Yeah.
brawl.
Helping the Zerg. Papil.
Full brawl south. Come south, guys. Come south.
Pawet na. Tawag ito. Eastside. Nandun yung bomb squad. Eastside.
Heal me, please. Heal me. I'm gonna die.
Yo, look at Jembem southwest. On my crown, southeast on my crown. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Keep killing them.
Kill them. Yo, delete them. Come southeast.
All good.
Guys, mga brawlers.
Yeah, all good.
May looking northeast.
Where's
Northeast. Wala. I'm not watching northeast. Someone. Can someone?
Nandito ako.
We're getting brawled hard. Come southwest.
Yeah, I'm taking heals. I'm going back. I have disrupt. I have.
They're looking.
Look north now. Come north. Walk
Wala. Bad.
Engage
Ayun na, nag-engage
sa akin.
nag-engage sa akin. Shallow sila.
Ay, pahil. Yeah.
Balik lang
Help.
ako.
Keep going.
Go back in.
Sige lang.
Oh, na-miss ko yung ano.
Keep going. Walk in.
Ay, namatay ako.
Yo, come on.
Naano ako ng ibon.
Thank you though. Like you stopped.
No, the last one, blood letter got me.
I mean, lalot ko.
CCTV zoning in goes.
Guys,
CCTV.
don't stay
Really. Just pasabi na lang. Just keep moving the core. May CCTV pa na
Sa loob na sila. No DA yet.
Yeah. I'm watching.
Nagre-gear na.
Nagre-gear.
CCTV, nagre-gear.
Yeah, pa-relay.
Ping. Pakina lang Axos. Dalag ako sa dalawang.
Yeah. Sige. Pa-relay na lang Axos, men.
Meron ng DA, 2 DA na isa.
Yeah.
South in 5, 4, catch him, 3, 2, 1, catch him.
Catch them. Peering. Yeah, nice. Patayan. Catch them. Catch anyone.
CCTV on me, CCTV on me.
Come north.
Wrapping
Dismount sila sa.
Come
Copy.
Dismounted.
Yeah. Just keep rapping. Nag-OC. They're here. On ping.
Nagpod na.
Sa west
Yeah.
side sila. Nang-block
West
natin.
side. Oh, yeah. I'll keep pinging Axos relay ito kay. This is them. Battle. We have one battle mount inside them. Nag-engage. Fake engage.
Fake lang, fake sa akin, nag-fake sa akin.
Hold now. And walk
Pero
in
malang
southwest,
yun.
walk in southwest.
Ayaw ako i-dismount.
Looking sa choke. Banda choke. Mag-engage daw, looking na.
Bad yan.
And full defensive now. Demon. And come northeast. Demon.
I need
Come
heals.
Come northeast. And come northwest. We need to kite northwest. Come northwest. Kite north. My brawlers.
Down the choke na sila, down the choke.
Kite north.
Ayun na yung brawlers nila, na-purge na.
Keep kiting north. My defense.
All good. Follow kay. Go on ping guys. Go on ping. Follow kay.
Screen away na kayo.
Yeah. Alayo nyo na. I'm gonna mount up. Check you boys. Just keep moving. I'm gonna fear.
Tama na yan. Yung crown.
Yeah,
Def tanks.
Following
Apat yung def tank
I'm
na sa likod.
gonna fear. Just keep moving.
Yeah.
Or
Tingnan po, I'm on
Check
the-
your crown.
yeah. If you're too far away from K, mount up. If you can mount up. Help Nera. Yeah. Yo.
Hold ka muna dyan.
Help everyone guys. Everyone on this party.
Sige, balik ka sa amin dyan.
They're mounted up. Sabihin mo si Kim, pwede niya ito i-catch oh. Yeah.
Zone ako.
They're mounted up.
Live pingin, mounted.
Nasa likod na natin sila.
Oh, they're mounted up. Pasabi. They're here. Pwede mo pitasin, ipasabi kay Kim.
Nice one.
Full delete them.
No, anong plan ni Kim?
Wrapping around ah.
Kill them, please. kill
Yeah, I
Okay,
think so.
maraming
Nagkatchiki. Tulungan nyo.
West na, west na.
Dumidiretso
Hindi,
sila.
hindi, CCTV.
Yeah. They're just cutting us off.
There's dismounted, there's dismounted.
Just catch anyone na pwede nyo i-catch. Just catch.
Andito na ako sa
Ito,
desert.
patayin nyo yan. Pinipir ko nga, patayin nyo. Yo, any tanks, any
CCTV dyan,
DPS.
on the
Wala,
ping. Sige.
libre nitong tawag nito. Di tanks, ayaw patayin. Patayin nyo to. Wala. Yeah, I know.
Zone.
I know. Sayang.
Everyone zone, desert.
Yeah.
Dapat di ko na
Nag-cut off na.
Mamamatay ka dito.
Just keep
We're
moving.
all dismounted on Jem.
They're dismounted, they're dismounted. They're
Yeah.
dismounted.
Can you ping para makita ko? I'm on Raven, so I can... Kiping. Paping ulit.
May dismounted dito na healers.
Okay. Gotcha.
Matay si Jem.
Position na lang tayo.
Following the core.
Ito, sige lang.
My brawler
Keep moving.
dismount on the vortex. Where are they right now? I need scouts.
Ping.
Are they dismounted?
Dismounted.
Dismount. Down the hill. Come south.
Nasa baba sila.
Sige, nakuha yung core. I'm just gonna peer. I'm gonna peer the guy who's... I'm gonna peer.
Can you get them guys? Mount up
May
guys.
battle mode sa akin kasi. Kala ko.
Pa-dismount ako
Hindi
sa
talaga
inside.
kaya
Dismounted
yun.
na.
Hindi kaya yun.
Sige. Just...
Oh yan.
Try nyo tawag ito, hulihin niya. They're gonna focus on getting the core. So try to catch. Focus on catching the guy on the core. With the core.
They're catching.
I know. Watch them.
Hold ko yung hinohold ko yung naka-vortex.
Copy.
Going south.
Pupush ko yung may vortex.
Yung brawler ko. Dismount ka sa gitna
How
nila.
Jambem
Come south.
died, oh?
May kulto dito kayo, nag-aabang.
Sige lang. Look southeast guys. Look southeast.
Din-disrupt nila yung ano pa.
Keep going. Southeast.
Engage,
Nag-engage
engage
sila,
sila
ah.
sa choke, ha? Nag-engage sila sa choke, ha?
Let them choke. Put them. And don't pass through. And keep going now. Keep going now.
Di tanks on the back. Mount up. Go to coast. Unahan natin.
Matay na naman ako, sir.
Going east. Yo, get ready defensive on
Okay,
the back.
go back a bit. Huwag muna kayo mag-push masyado.
Find my count, come northeast. Northeast, get ready. Northeast in 5. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything side of us.
By the wall. Help.
Drop all A. 3, 2, 1, drop all A. And pull at them. Drop everything, guys. Keep rolling into them. We outnumbered them. Keep rolling into them. Keep rolling.
Patay ka.
Nakuha niyo.
Wala talagang healer.
Going northeast. In combat yan. Di makapasok yan. Keep going northeast.
Sila makakapasok pero pwede.
Ikaw ba,
Sila,
looking sila. They're gonna engage on you, boys. Oh, no.
I need heal. And walk in, guys.
Hit, bakit?
Northeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything northeast. It's all of them. It's fucking all of them.
Oh, walang damage.
Hit more.
And come southwest. Come northwest.
Vortex in southwest.
They're gonna turn na.
I'm watching.
Yo, roll them southwest. Need more heals. Defense now.
Wala ba tayo
South,
healer?
guys. Look southeast.
Nakay Jin SS.
Southeast. Come southeast on my count. Southeast on my count. In 5, 4, 3, 1. Southeast on my count. All of the DPS is here. Delete their DPS.
Nag-GA kami.
Come southwest now. You need to spread, guys. Saan yung vortex? Hold now. Guys, spread.
Engaging.
Vortex knight.
Mag-engage na nga.
Spread, guys. Come north.
Ingat na.
Come north. Hold now.
Ayan na, engaging na.
Defense now. And walk in, brawl.
5 seconds.
Brawl. Just walk in. Find my turn. Walk in.
Samar.
Walk in, guys. Walk in and look west.
Brawlers
West,
nila
in
nasa
5,
southeast side
4,
ng
3, 2,
third
1.
natin.
West. Delete them. Hindi tayo nakaka-delete. Where's my DPS? Yung boss ang ka.
Sa silence na.
Putang ina mo sa'yo. Huwag yung sabing silence. Open world to. Oh, puta.
Pag nahiuli kayo, matap yun sa likod.
Ay. Come southwest. Tangin. Kuhan sana yun. Come southwest. Kill their healer, please. Nice one. Come back, guys. Come back. You need to come back. We lost everyone. Come back. Level 20 na lang tayo. Come back, guys. Come back. Look north, guys. Look north. Hold now. Look northwest. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me. On me. No. Defense now.
Patay na naman ako.
Walang nag-hit sa ano.
My DPS,
Taklap
where
ni
are you,
Boss
bro?
K. Masyado
Wala.
Come
naka
southeast, come southeast. Just keep brawling southeast. Brawling southeast. Brawl their healer, no HP, no mana healer healer. On ping, on the ping.
Magiging
On the ping,
walang
si
silbi
Kokom,
yung
keep going
icicle
northeast,
ko.
going northeast. Check Kokom. Ito Kokom, oh. Look east guys, east. East in 3, 2, 1, on the sealer. Kill the sealer, delete the sealer, hello? Nice one, and come northeast.
May nakatingin pa, nasan na po?
Pats, now, Pats.
Wala, nasa kanila pa rin.
Roll again. They're losing all their
Anyari kay
healers.
Jim? Ba't siya namatay
Come
doon?
southwest, come southwest.
Meron
Na-
tayong party
naiwan
sa
siya.
Southwest, may naliligaw.
Lahat tayo nasa coast, nag-zone in siya sa desert. So yung mga iba, nag-mount up, sinundan si Jemben.
Ready defensive, keep going southwest.
Sumasabay si Jem sa ano, sa Zerg.
4, 3, 2, 1, inside of us.
Misted already.
And brawl now.
Wala, shit.
Brawl southeast. Defensive guys, spread, hello. Marami kayo.
Ang
Nakakadikit
din
sila
ng
tayo,
tao
hindi.
ito, damage, putang ina. On point naman, control natin.
Full
Control
delete
natin,
their
pero walang
healer.
nakakita
Come
ko.
southeast. Can you keep brawling si Seedling? Seedling is gonna die. And come southeast. Southeast guys, on the gate.
Ilang
Southeast on the gate.
beses
Ready,
na
southeast
maganda
on the
yung
gate. In
plot
5,
ni ano,
4,
Ross.
3, 2, 1. Southeast on the gate.
Pero walang makahit.
Hello? No DPS.
Pero malang nakita
They're
ako
almost there.
dun,
They're
oh.
almost back.
Engaging sila.
Defense now. Wipe din tayo.
Nandun na naman yung
Guys,
DPS
keep
na
rolling. We need-
nagtawag
Come on,
nito,
healer, let's go back.
nag-hit in one side.
Where's my rig gear?
Dali i-disrupt, puta.
Oh
my way,
Kasi roll yung party nila dahil dun sa
We're
Astral,
wipe here,
yung
we're wipe
negative
here. We don't have a
defense
healer.
din kasi.
Yeah, it's 35.
Level
I don't
10
know why
Desari.
they're not
How many
using
desari
it.
do you have? Level 9,
Walang
we're level 8.
gumagamit sa atin kasama ng
Come
roll.
southeast guys, come southeast. Regroup on my crown.
Ako pa rin nila.
Regroup on my crown.
Kinabihan ko nga, sige, mag-ganon ako kanina eh. Kahit 40, nakikasunog yun. Yung tawag ito, resilience penetration yan, increase to 50% eh.
Mataas masyadong
Northwest,
Uy,
northwest.
nice one.
Oh.
Nice one.
Nice.
Keep deleting them. Brawl them. Where's my brawler?
Balik
Wala
ako
na
dun
ba?
po.
Para mag-out na ako.